Today's Daily Dose of Math is part 1 in a series of videos about the parallelogram. Here we're covering the basics of a parallelogram. And we look at the definition of a parallelogram. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral that has two pairs of opposite congruent sides. This shape is a parallelogram, and it is following the rule in the definition. These two little lines on the shorter sides are a way of indicating that they are congruent. They are equal in length to each other. And then the pair of double lines on the two longer sides shows that they are also congruent to each other. In this case, the longer sides are not the same length as the shorter sides, but that's not necessary for it to be a parallelogram. This shape is a parallelogram. But what about the rectangle? A rectangle also has two pairs of opposite congruent sides. Does that mean a rectangle is also a parallelogram? Yes, it does. Let's look at the definition of a rectangle. A rectangle is a quadrilateral that has two pairs of opposite congruent sides and at least one internal 90-degree angle. So we can see that the only difference between these two definitions is that the rectangle has to have at least one internal 90-degree angle. Otherwise, the definitions are the same. This means that all rectangles are also parallelograms, but not all parallelograms are rectangles. This is the basics of the parallelogram. Today's Daily Dose of Math. Please like, subscribe, and share.